Hello and welcome to the remainder of the semester. I wanted to go over the new grade policy and how that affects you and what choices you have. So, by now you've probably heard the district has implemented a new grade policy. It essentially is do no harm. That means that your grade, when we officially went into quarantine, is the floor for how low your grade can go. For example, if in mid-March you had an 88%, then your grade cannot drop lower than an 88%, even if you do absolutely nothing for the rest of the year. It can, however, go up. That puts you in a position where you essentially have three options. Let me go over those options. Option number one, you use this time to raise your grade with which you are dissatisfied. Maybe you have an F and you want to be passing. Maybe you have a B and you'd like an A. Maybe you have a C and you'd like to get it to a B or higher. Whatever the situation, you can use this time to raise your grade. Option number two, you're perfectly happy with your grade, but you realize you're going on to your sophomore year and you would like genuine learning opportunities independent of the grade, which can't drop. That is to say, you've already gotten an A, you're happy with your A, but you want to work on some things. Then there's group three, you're satisfied with your grade, you will stop participating in class for the remainder of the semester, and your grade is exactly what it is. I am going to use this time to tell you why you should continue with English 1, why it's important. Now, for those who are considering, hey, maybe I'm done, the remainder of the semester consists of finishing A Raisin in the Sun and writing your essay, one more month of Achieves, and creating a bracket, kind of like March Madness, in which we work on research skills. Now, this is important, regardless of your situation, because you will be sophomores next year, and you should be able to write a strong essay. Those who decide to sit it out, you'll be at a decided disadvantage over those who are working on their essay writing skills. As I recall, the first thing you do sophomore year is write an essay, a bigger essay than anything you've done freshman year, and it would certainly help if you're very comfortable with how to write an essay. Secondly, those who eventually plan to take AP, it's all essays. There's nothing but essays. In fact, the test is you will have 3 full essays to write in 90 minutes. Maybe you should start being good on those essays right now. Those who plan to go to college, you got to write an essay for that. Those who will be taking the ACT's junior year, there's an essay there. Oh, essay writing skills, kind of important. I really encourage you to indulge in them. Now, why the Achieves? I don't know. I hate not finishing what I start. We're exactly 4 Achieves away from being done. And in fact, if you did your Achieves last week, you're 2 away from being done. So, I don't know. Let's just finish it. That's my feeling. Furthermore, I know, I said at the beginning of the year, Achieves are boring. In the same way that ACT tests are boring. CDL, or truck driving tests, are boring. ASVBA, that's Armed Services tests, got to take a test to get in there, are boring. Police Academy tests are boring. Postal Service tests are boring. There's a skill to taking tests. Achieve helps you to improve on those skills. Now, with that said, there are very few worthwhile jobs or occupations that don't come with boring tests. So it just might be good to get good at test taking now. The last thing we'll do, research. Research is important in this world of fake news, and we never got to it in English 1. That was going to be the final thing. That was going to be the debate. This also will be an opportunity for those of you, like me, who miss sports, to make up the sports a little. I think it'll be kind of fun. I really hope, you participate in it because it will be fun. Those who aren't interested in sports, I do have a plan B and or C for you if that's not your thing. So, if you choose to participate, reminder, your grades cannot drop. They can only go up. The actual assignments will go in the grade book. The assignments are mileposts that keep you moving toward the final project and allow you to digest things in small chunks. But if you don't do the small assignments, the big assignments become really difficult. So that's why the small assignments exist. And even if they don't go in the grade book, you still want to do them. What will go in the grade book will be anything that would make your grade go up, which are the big projects. If you choose to participate, improvement to your grade and learning opportunities will consist of you can write the A Raisin in the Sun essay and revise it as many times as you want so that you can get to a point where you understand what it takes to be proficient, to be advanced. If you choose to participate, I respect whatever decision you make. But if you choose to take an E and you have any ambitions more than, frankly, working at McDonald's, I think you're making a mistake. It's freshman year. This is the easiest year of your high school career. And if you are not currently, I fully respect maybe your family's going through some stuff. You have to deal with the economics of such things. And if you need to take off for that, I get it. But if that's not your situation and you're just looking to take off, it's a mistake. So, with that said, there is a survey on Canvas. It asks you 3 questions. Your name, what is your plan for the remainder of the year, and anything else I need to know. I need you to take the survey. Be aware, if you say you're going to take the rest of the semester off, I am going to contact your parents and let them know your decision. So you might want to let them know in the first place so that if they want to support you in that decision, they know about it. All right, I genuinely hope everyone will be on board, but the first thing, I need to know where everybody stands. So please start with the survey. That is the first thing you're doing. If you have any questions, grades, whatever, don't hesitate a second to email me. Those who have, I've answered almost immediately, and I will continue to do so for the remainder of the year. Everybody have a good week, and I hope you are going to be sticking around and doing the work.